In terms of completing the group formation assessment component, what I'm now looking for you to do is go back to that first slide, and you might want to revise something on that. Okay, this is due by week 4. And you might want to now change the nature of that business area that you've got an interest in, and you may have reflected and revised the nature of how you want to work with people in your group. So tidy that up, put that into a position where you're actually answering those questions. Then there is a series of other questions which carry slightly more weight in terms of me looking at the nature of reflection and consideration of what you're contemplating doing in the unit. The first one is that I'm curious to know what you think the weaknesses would you like to work on during this unit. So what is it about you as a learner? And that could be the subject matter. It could be your approach to learning. It could be the nature of how you interact with other people in group work. But what are some weaknesses that you think that you could be working on during this unit? Secondly, what do you want to learn about your group members? So having met people during the first few weeks, what is it now that's becoming obvious to you that there's an opportunity for you to become not just a learner of the topic and the subject, but of those people that you've formed a group with? I'm also curious, what do you hope to get from your group members? So what is it that you think you can gain access to in terms of the process that's sitting in front of you doing this group project? What practical knowledge do you think you'd like to develop in the unit? So what is it you want to learn that you're going to be able to take from this unit and apply in the real world? And lastly, as a learner, what can you work on to become a better learner? All right. So I'm really curious about how you can use the task that's in front of you to actually improve yourself as a learner. It could be the process of reflecting on the way through so that you've got heaps to work with when it comes to completing the personal learning statement at the end of the semester or something along those lines. Now, across these 6 slides, you've got 1,500 words that you can work with. Okay, so take your time, work through, really looking for you to sort of pin a few things up in terms of some initial reflections on what you think might be possible for you as a learner going forward in this unit. And once you've done that, then you can obviously post through Blackboard and you'll be done by the end of week 4.